Good morning, babe. How's your sleep?
Oh, what are you doing here?
I prepared some breakfast. I just wanted to make sure that I'm the first one we'll see in this very special day.
Oh, happy anniversary, babe. I love you.
I know, and I love you too. Come on, let's eat. I prepared. Cut.
Babe, be ready for tomorrow, okay? I know it's going to be fun. It's been 2 months since I last saw your friends.
They're not just my friends, they're our friends. What's mine is yours.
I know, I know.
Mamamatay na siya. Mamamatay. Mamamatay na siya. Ish. What's he doing? Say the channel. No, stay
Hey, stop it!
Stay on the channel.
Hi, ugly creatures!
Shut up, you're uglier than us.
What? Did you say that I'm ugly?
What's up?
He told that you're ugly.
Oh.
Hey, she's asking if you called her ugly. E-O-U? Burn! Wait, I'll just get something and then we'll leave. Please close your mouth. Something might get inside of it.
Ooh, double kill!
Wait. Hi, my name is Christian.
No, just sit and be bird again.
Why?
Hi, I'm Gustav. I'm the handsome of the brothers.
Okay?
And
nothing. Bye, big bro. Bye, guys.
Bye. Call me.
Keep safe.
Remember my name, Christoph.
Christian, call me.
Bye na. I don't want this to end. I don't want us to end. I just don't know what I will be without. Don't leave me, okay? But if this really has to end, I'd prefer to leave you than to be in this situation for a few days.
Why are you acting like that? How can you be so sure that what we have will end someday?
Babe, I have something to say.
Me too, but after you.
Babe, I'm dying.
Stop it, babe. It's not funny.
Babe, I'm serious. Look into my eyes.
Why, babe? Why do you have to experience this? Why?
I once asked that babe, but you know what I realized? You have to stop worrying. You'll overcome everything and
We have to love each other more than ever.
yeah, anyway, what are you telling me a while ago?
It's nothing. Don't think about it anymore. What we have to do is to find a solution to your problem.
There's nothing we can do. We just have to pray for miracles. Babe, can you promise one thing? Please continue loving me after hearing everything I said.
Don't need to ask that. I will always love you. Loving you has become my life since I met you, and nothing can change that. Never, ever lose me. This I promise.
Dapat ano ah? Guys, please! Hey! Why are you acting like that? Something happened? Hey, Rain.
Hindi ko po nasabi sa kanya. She said something to me first.
Huh?
Something...
Hindi mo sinabi.
She's dying, auntie.
What? My God. I didn't hear this. Can't hear. Anong sakit niya?
Hindi ko po alam.
Weird. I'm so sorry. I think you should tell her.
Ate, wait lang. Baka yung voice mo. Ano, cut mo.
Sis, I already told him.
Seriously?
Yes, I told him at the park.
What did he say? How's everything?
He was shocked as expected. because he needs to know.
So, what now?
What now?
He didn't leave you?
No, he won't. I know he loves me.
You're so lucky to have him. You never find someone like him at our time.
I know. I'm so lucky to have him.
I, Mark Anthony, thank you, Prince Jade, to be my lawfully wedded wife, my partner friend, my faithful partner, and my lawful Tuesday forward. To the presence of God, our family and friends, I offer you my solemn vow to be your faithful partner in this good times and sad, and enjoy as well as in sorrow. I promise to love you unconditionally, support you in your goals, honor and respect you, to laugh with you and cry with you, and cherish you for as long as we live.
I, Princess Jade, thank you, Mark Anthony, to be my friend, my lover, and my husband. I will be yours in times of plenty and in times of want, in times of sickness and in times of health, in times of joy and in times of sorrow, in times of failure and in times of triumph. I promise to cherish you and to spend with you, care and protect you, comfort and encourage you, and stay with you for all time.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Velasquez. You may now kiss the bride.
So alam mo na pala na mangyayari to.
Honestly, yes. He has arteriovenous malformation.
What was that?
He has a mesh of abnormal blood vessel connecting arteries to the vein in his brain. Inborn yun. Yun yung dahilan kung ba't siya nagkaroon ng hemorrhagic stroke.
Inborn. So matagal na pala yun.
I'm sorry.
Why didn't you tell me? All this time I'm preparing myself to leave him because I know I'm dying. But I was wrong. I must have been preparing for his departure from our lives. Mauna pa pala siya, hindi ko man lang nalaman.
He was trying to tell you. Promise, sinubukan niya talaga. Gusto niya sabihin sa'yo.
He just tried but he didn't. I became honest with him. I told him everything about me, even about my cancer. But why didn't he tell me about his disease?
Hindi ko rin alam. I don't know. But he left a letter for you. Maybe this will explain everything. Excuse me.
Sorry, Pauline.
I'm not mad at you. Nahirapan lang din ako sa sitwasyon.
Sorry talaga.
Okay, I will just accompany you to Doc Cervantes. Wait a minute, I'll just change my boots. Good morning, Doc. So what's your finding with my sister?
Good news. I don't know how this happened, but you're now free from colon cancer. It's a miracle that your large intestine is perfectly normal.
Masakit.
You're now well, Mrs. Velasquez.
No, this can't be happening.
Excuse me?
You must be kidding. You must be kidding, Brian. You must be kidding.
Ate,
No.
tama na.
I'm not kidding, Mrs. Velasquez.
Akala ko ba mamamatay na ako? Akala ko makakasama ko na si Anthony. Akala ko makakasama ko na si Anthony.
You must be happy.
Mamamatay na ako.
You're too lucky. God has gave you a miracle.
I don't want this life. I don't want this life. I want to be with Anthony right now.
Calm down, Mrs. Velasquez. Please calm down. Please calm down.
Good morning, my dearest best friend.
What are you doing?
You're going to the mass with me. It's been a year since you last visited the church. Jade?
Leave me alone, Alice. Pray to your God. I don't have one.
Stop saying that.
Why, Alice? After your God took Anthony from us, will you still believe in him?
Of course. Could you please stop acting like that? You're not the only one being left by Anthony. He's my brother. I also love him. But I never questioned God about taking Anthony away from us.
He's a cruel God. Why did he give Anthony to me if he would just take him back that fast? And take note, he took him on the same day of our wedding. How cruel your God is, right? Your God let me love Anthony so much. Your God let Anthony love me that much. He gave me so many things to miss. He gave me Anthony just to have someone to cry for.
Listen to me, Jade. Look into my eyes. You have to forget about him. You have to move on. Open your heart. Learn to love again. It's the best thing for you. I'm sure it is.
How dare you give out those words to me? How could you be so sure that it's the best for me? You don't know how you feel right now. You don't know how it feels like to be in this situation. I regret every single day that I woke up because I have another day to realize that everything I have is gone. That the man I love is dead.
You're still lucky because at some point of your life, you had a chance to be with him. You had a chance to be loved by the man you loved. Chances that never came into my life. Now think of that.
You don't have to worry about me being alone. I'm not alone. I was never alone. Because you never leave me. Yes, maybe you died, but your love will never fade away. I'm not afraid to love again, nor afraid to lose someone again. I'm just true to my promise that no one can ever hold my heart except for me. You already own my heart, and I'm not claiming it back because I don't regret every single love I showed you. You can't blame me if I'm not letting you go. It's really hard to forget someone who gave you so much to remember. I know you're hearing me right now. Please wait for me. Someday we'll be together again. I'm sure we will. We'll grant our words of forever, our promise.